Slime is always so much fun, but my goodness, this container was so difficult to open.
Help me!
I cannot believe how difficult they make these things. Maybe cute little Sunny can help me open it.
Mama, chef. I can help you.
And I had to ask for help from my oldest son.
Bring it over. Bring it over. Wow. Let's sprinkle. I need Thanks. Trying. I didn't. I was talking
On paper towel?
Yeah. Help. No. It's coming off. Hi. Let me see my slime. How do I need my paper towel. We got my slime. Can I feel? No. That was so cool. I got some gray slime. What is it? Look at it. Oh, I want to feel this.
Mommy, you want some glitter?
And I want some of Junah's glitter.
Well, ask her for it.
Can I please have some of your glitter? Here you go. It's a glittery slime pop. It just said glitter pop, glitter pop, glitter pop. Hi guys, this is my mini slime. Hi guys,
You
this
get all
is.
the mini toys and you can play with the mini toys too.
You put my craft stuff in the garage? Yeah, we can play mini toys. Hello. Hi, I'm Goo Goo Gaga. Ice Kids. Vampire too. Hello, my name is Junah. Can I feel yours? Because you filled mine. That's so nice. Hey guys, you like my slime? Hey, love it. Ooh, mini toys. Junah, look at my slime. Oh, it's so shivery and slippery. I found some of this. Wow, guys, you like my slime? Yeah, we love it. Thank you. What's Mom doing? She's just looking for mini toys. Mini toys? Nah, she's not. Hey, guys, you are looking for my slime? Mini toys? No way. Mini toys.
Let me put them on the plate.
Okay. You have one of my mark pen lids. Yay, on the plate. I want this a plate. I want this a make something. Can we please play with it? We can play with us. We can't come because we're out. We can't come out. Look at my slime. Look at my slime. Does you like it? No, we just can't go somewhere. Mommy said we aren't allowed to go anywhere, so we have to stay here. Oh, dang. I found ladybug. You did? Mm-hmm. I found lemonade. I found this. Oh, I found this for my... I found this. It's too sticky. Remember? Mommy said we can only take it at the table. Okay? Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna find some persons. I found a person. I don't have a person. I don't want to. I got some frosting chews. I'm gonna make mini cookies because I'm making so many sweets. I don't know why. So here's our first cookie on our first tray. I can wait to make a big bubble. Yeah, slime. I'm gonna make a big bubble. As soon as you see me, how I make a big bubble. Guys, you guys. Apple. Noodles in the bathtub. See that?
Hey, I gotta put that up for the pool. That rings.
My cookies are almost done. Right here. Thank you. Hey, you like my drawing that I make? You like my drawing that I make? Wow, I love it. with it. Hey, guys, do you want me to pause? Because you guys, I could pause it. Slime. Hi guys. Hi guys. My name is Junah. My name is Auri. My name is Junah.
Show them your little toys.
I'm running away. I got clear slime and let me show you what slime. Look, I got fluffy slime. I got this kind of slime. I got pretty clear slime. It's okay, I'm gonna leave. What's the slime?
Yeah, I can take my slime. Cindy.
I'm done. I don't have no interest in this. Pop. Blue slime. This is too. Did I slip my slime down? It doesn't have slimes in it. Hey Junah. Wow! Clear, fluffy slime. And it's stretchy. I don't want it now. I only want like a mini toy. Oh, I got a big mini toy. It's a real sticky one. On the bottom, it's sticky. Try to peel it off. See, it's sticky on the bottom. It has poops. Poopy doops. I love poopy doops. Wow, poopy doops. Poopy doops. What is that for? Oh, mini toy, guys. Don't stay. I'll be back tomorrow in the night. Are you guys watching me sing? Yes. Cleary berries. Do you want it? Scary Larry. It's Scary Larry. Look at this comfy blue slime. Isn't it cool, guys? I'm making something. Look at this booty. Look at this wave. Look at this better wave. Oh no. Wow. I can put it in here. Mix it up. I always mix it up. It's stretching the seawater. Ooh, the seawater. Ugh. It's sticking on me. What, Mom? What food is this?
I don't know.
What is it?
Let's see, what is that?
It's random.
I don't know.
It's weird. I'm gonna put it in there. Can I have that bag? My slime.
Can you share?
The slime's on my dress. Here, have it all. Grab it. Grab.
Oh no. Rub it off.
You just ruined my bunny's date.
Will you get this off of me, please? It's night time for Sunny.